Good morning and welcome to T-Hub Capital, the Investors Lounge, the podcast where we explore financial market dynamics, emerging trends, and the insights that shape successful investments. Each week, we'll delve into the strategies and analyses that drive our investment decisions. You'll get an insider's perspective on the factors influencing markets and the potential winners and losers of tomorrow. Subscribe to the podcast to stay ahead of the curve and make informed investment choices. Enjoy listening.
Till 34 week in markets. European markets react to economic slowdown and inflation concerns and IPO resurgence. Welcome to T-Hub Capital's The Investors Lounge weekly newsletter. Today's date is the 2nd of December. Let's dive into the week's stock market news. European markets navigate uncertainty amidst mixed economic signals. European markets closed out the week with a mixed performance, as investors weighed optimism over U.S. trade tariffs and interest rates against a backdrop of varied economic data. The Pan-European Stocks Europe 600 index managed a 0.32% gain, but individual country indices told a different story. Germany's DAX outperformed with a 1.57% rise, while Italy's FTSE MIB and France's CAC 40 fell 0.70% and 0.29% respectively. The UK's FTSE 100 eked out a 0.24% gain. This mixed performance was mirrored in the economic data. Eurozone inflation rose to 2.3% in November, but underlying pressures showed signs of easing. Meanwhile, German retail sales disappointed with a 1.5% drop. Although the country's job market remained relatively robust, political uncertainty added to the complexity. In France, Prime Minister Michel Barnier was forced to amend the 2025 budget proposal, abandoning plans for electricity tax hikes after pressure from the far right. Across the Channel, UK mortgage approvals surged to their highest levels since August 2022, suggesting a potential rebound in the housing market. However, consumer confidence remained weak, with retail sales volumes falling and consumer credit growth slowing. This confluence of factors, mixed market performance, varying economic indicators, and political instability, created a challenging environment for investors. The coming weeks will likely offer further clues as to the direction of the European economy and the potential impact on markets. Now our insight into alternative markets, soaring valuations. Private equity takes flight in the aerospace and defense sector. The aerospace and defense industry is defying conventional wisdom, proving that investment in this sector can indeed take off. Even Warren Buffett, once wary of aviation after past experiences, has recently made a significant investment in aircraft parts manufacturer HEICO. This renewed interest underscores the growing potential of the aerospace and defense market, a trend confirmed by our latest research. Our newly launched coverage of this dynamic sector, including airlines and related services, reveals a compelling story. Deal activity in 2024 is on track to reach record levels, with the first 9 months already exceeding the total for 2023. Exit activity is also robust, defying the slowdown seen in other areas of private equity. This suggests a strong alignment between buyers and sellers on valuations across the aerospace and defense landscape. Several factors are fueling this surge in investment. While Boeing's recent challenges have sent ripples through the commercial aerospace ecosystem, geopolitical tensions have simultaneously boosted demand in the defense sector. This has led to a flurry of deals across various defense-related categories.
Thank you for listening to this episode of Hub Capital, the Investors Lounge podcast. I hope you found this content interesting and inspiring. If you enjoyed this episode, Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast so you don't miss a single episode, and share it with your friends and colleagues who might be interested. To learn more about T-Hub Capital and our activities, visit our website, hubcapital.com. You can also follow us on our LinkedIn page. See you soon. All the best from the T-Hub Capital team.